This time, we will collect stock market data using Python and Finance Data Reader library. Before doing this, you should check your Python version. It may be over 3.7 to use the library. In CMD, run Python version and check Python version. And run Jupyter Notebook. I already made folder. Desktop, Stock. And create notebook. First thing to collect data, you should install Finance Data Reader library. User guide is in document page. In CMD, run pip install ufinance.reader. And additionally, you also should install Beautiful Soup library. To do this, run pip install Beautiful Soup 4 in CMD. Everything is ready. Now let's begin. In Jupyter, run import Finance Data Reader as FDR. Ctrl+Enter command run cell. And to use this library, return to document. This code can help us. Add cell by ESC plus B, type stock list equals FDR.stock listing NASDAQ. Then you can see all market code in NASDAQ and type DF equals FDR.data reader Apple, 2018. Then Apple's stock market prices in DF. Finally, run df.to_CSV apple.csv. In the folder, you get the stock market CSV data. Furthermore, you can collect every NASDAQ or S&P 500 data automatically. Let's see.